It's March 7th, and this is Joe Diosana with Diosana Group Properties, powered by Keller Williams. We're going through the inbound process again. Hopefully you've seen the other video. And we're going to go actually a little bit more detailed to show the systems and then the relationships between the different groups that are going to be working on this. Okay, so for example, again, we still have our same legend here, but for step in purple, I'm going to put the remote team, the client experience manager, and the AGT or agent, what their responsibilities are. Again, the same thing. We have inbound processes from our three sources: leverage or buyer, where we have specific criteria. We do a mail out. There's a call response. Referrals, typically they're going to all come in either Google Voice or inbound call, and then the signed information, advertising, HER, websites, social networking. Now, to show you the relationships between the systems, typically before we get it into under contract or some sort of heavy task involvement and brevity, we put it in Asana. It's usually Asana and referral makers. It's a combination of that. Okay. Then once they go under agreement, we actually start putting them in brevity. Buyers go into brevity once they go under contract. Sellers go into brevity once they go under a listing relationship. Okay. Then we go, once they close, they go back into referral maker, and we continue that relationship. Evernote, of course, is supporting everything throughout all the processes. Okay? So, let's talk a little bit about roles responsibility. We've got this part pretty much covered, but it kind of falls down over here. First of all, for the actually, this should be marketing, but for the time being, Colleen will be doing that. So this is a marketing person. It comes in, they've got to respond within the same hour. Got to have it. Everything in terms of priority is not as much as this. This has to be priority so that we can get them to a specific scheduled calendar appointment. If it's for now, the agent will go ahead and calendar them. The VAR team will take care of, the remote team will take care of the agreement, and remote team and the agent will do research. For later, the agent will do a follow-up. The VAR, remote team, and we'll enter information into the back-end systems. Also, the remote team here, for advertising inbound calls, once it's assigned to a supporting agent, which typically will be the marketing person, but Colleen will be taking care of that for the moment. VR will do weekly statuses, and so that's going to be very important. All right, so hopefully this kind of pulls everything together so everyone kind of knows what they're supposed to be doing. All right, so if you see something that you're not doing, this is what you should be doing. All right, thank you.